In this video, we bring to you a $2.1 million luxury container house in Auckland, New Zealand. This spectacular 4-bedroom coastal home is built using 6 40-foot shipping containers. The containers are arranged in a courtyard layout to create a stunningly unique and environmentally conscious contemporary home, which blends seamlessly with its breathtaking natural surrounds and sweeping infinity-like views from a private elevated position. The main entrance door opens into an open-plan living space. The combination of spaces is one way that really makes this area feel larger than it is and brings some flow where there would normally have been a large separation. The cozy lounge area is complete with comfortable couches where you can relax and read a book, a custom coffee table, and a floor rug to define the lounge space. Floor-to-ceiling glass windows in the living area invite plenty of natural light and allows a seamless indoor and outdoor connection. Next to the living room is a dining space with a custom dining table with dining chairs and some bench seating. From the living area, there is a bright and fully equipped kitchen space. Everything from the double sink to the gorgeous and the counter and overhead storage cabinets. This stylish kitchen brings a sleek modern feel to the home and makes the kitchen feel professional and functional. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors through the living areas lend themselves to family or entertainment, allowing the sun and the gorgeous views to invade the home the whole day. The first door from the entrance opens into the first bedroom. It accommodates a cozy double bed. Located between the first bedroom and the second bedroom is a spacious bathroom. The bathroom has a large shower cubicle, a glass window, a flush toilet, a modern wash-hand basin, and a wall-mounted bathroom mirror. The second bedroom is beautifully designed to be cozy and comfortable, and it features a comfy queen bed adorned with lots of cushions and large glass windows that open onto the deck. On the opposite end of the living area is the third bedroom provides ample accommodation for a king-sized bed. It is fitted with full-height windows for ample daylighting and ventilation. The fourth bedroom, which is the kids' room, is adjoined with the modern second bathroom. The white painted interior walls make these spaces look brighter and bigger. The house exterior is covered with wood cladding, making it look simple but at the same time very elegant, with the box profile appearance to match the industrial design aesthetic. The large outdoor living spaces feature an outdoor sofa, a fire pit for the cold nights, and a bathtub to help soak away your stress as you get into the holiday mode. The large openings create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to the landscape, and the green landscaping around the building helps to soften the industrial vibe of the design. Would you buy this home for $2.1 million? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.